Hello everyone. Today I am come up with another topic that is called natural farming conclave. It's important for the perspective of UPSC and state PSC as well. After adding IFS, you also know environment, agriculture, and climate related topic are most important for UPSC and state PSC also, and you can also use in some other competitive examination. Here we are discussing about natural forming conclave. Mr. PM Narendra Modi is talking about Surat natural forming conclave, where every panchayat has contributed for natural farming. So let's see what's happened in there. Firstly, we need to know about natural farming. What is natural farming? Natural farming is a chemical free traditional farming method. As you all know, it is considered as agroecological based. Agroecological means relationship between agriculture crops and environment, which integrates crops, trees, livestock with functional biodiversity. Natural farming is the art practice increasingly the science of working with nature to achieve much more with less. On natural farming, we have to know no budget or no burden for anything. Some might confuse about organic farming and natural farming. We are also used sometimes synonym as a natural farming or organic farming, but these are not true. Actually, natural farming we are using some fertilizer or something else, natural fertilizer also, that is called organic farming. But natural farming we can't use any fertilizer or anything. Everything is natural, just like cow dung, any urine, leaf, crops, etc. Here a term that is called zero budget natural farming. Zero budget natural farming, there is no agrochemical, organic fertilizer, manure, local resources only uses on zero natural farming. Zero natural farming means raising crops without using any fertilizer, pesticides, or any other external materials. That I earlier mentioned. The word zero budget refers to zero cost of production of all crops, because we don't have to use any resources from external. Zero budget concept was promoted by agriculturist Padam Shri awardee Subhas Palekar. The mid 1990s as an alternative to the green revolution methods driven by chemical fertilizer and pesticide and intestine irrigation. Zero budget farming guides the farmer towards sustainable farming practice, thus help in retaining soil fertility to ensure a chemical-free agriculture and ensure low cost of production and thereby enhancing farmer incomes. Here, PM Modi shares success of Surat in connecting 75 farmers in every panchayat, which natural farming is going to become an example for the entire country. Local bodies played a concentrated role in selecting 75 farmers from every panchayat and hand-holded them with training and other courses. This has led to a situation where more than 40,000 farmers in 550 panchayats have become involved in natural farming. Surat model on natural farming can become a model for entire country. India in India, natural farming has promoted as Bharati Prakrati Krishi Paddhati program under centrally sponsored scheme Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Bharati Prakrati Krishi Paddhati is aimed to promoting traditional indigenous practices which reduce externally purchased input. It largely based on farm biomass recycling with major stress on biomass, mulching, use on farm cow dung during formulation, periodic soil aeration, and exclusive of all systematic chemical inputs. Natural farming will reduce dependency on purchased inputs and will help to ease smallholder farmers from carried burden. Bharati Prakratik Krishi Paddhati program has adopted by many states of India such as Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Bharati Prakratik Krishi Paddhati in terms of increasing in production, sustainability, saving of water use, improvement in soil health and farmland ecosystem. In chemical fertilizer, yeah, we are facing many issues like cancer and some other health issues, also soil fertility decrease. That's why we need to ensure natural farming. It will create scope for raising employment and rural development also. Natural farming has linked with the Namami Ganga project as a separate campaign has been undertaken to create a natural farming corridor both side of Ganga river. That's too good. Thanks for watching. If you like, then please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family members. Thank you.